Hey there, let me show you how fun and easy this is to make. I'm just going to use this chalkboard transfer and make a fun little sign for fall, and showing you a different technique on how to use 3 different colors of chalk paste. We're going to go ahead and put this transfer down on the board, and then I'm going to start out by dividing the design in 3 visually, and then I'll apply the yellow chalk paste with the squeegee. Then I'll apply a layer of the orange peel chalk paste in the second third, and then the bottom third I'm going to use a green color. And I'm getting these close enough but not exactly touching, and then I use my finger to just rub the 2 colors together, and there we have the ombre effect. Now we're not done yet. I want to make a cute tag to hang on this chalkboard also. So I'm cutting apart this transfer and just using one of the designs on this cute little tag mini. So I'm going to do the same thing, just apply it down onto the tag and with the sticky side down. Then apply some yellow and some orange and some green and do the exact same thing. Rub the colors together to get kind of an ombre effect. And I'll show you that when it's finished. I'm going to do a second tag, and this is going to be for a place setting, perhaps even for Thanksgiving. And you can just add a name to it so that each person has their own place setting that they can take home. Also going to use those same 3 colors so everything color coordinates, and I'll do the same exact method on this one, just dividing it in 2/3 visually and adding the 3 chalk paste colors, and then rub them together where they meet up for a pretty ombre effect. The little tag mini fits right into this base so that everybody has their own cute little tag to take home. I'm going to add the 3rd line of this in black. I did do it in yellow at first and it didn't show up very well, so I'm just going to apply that first line with the black chalk paste. You'll see it here. And once that's dry, I can go ahead and string a ribbon through the hole, tie it around my board, and it is good to go. Everything is color coordinated. I hope you enjoyed this fun little craft. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Have a good day.